everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Toyota Camry XSE AWD is here, and it's ready to make waves in the mid-size sedan market. Toyota has always had a reputation for reliability, but with the Camry XSE AWD, they're also stepping up the game in terms of performance, technology, and style. If you've been thinking about upgrading your ride, or you're just curious about what this model has to offer, stay tuned as we dive into the details. Let's start with the engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Camry XSE AWD features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 206 horsepower and 186 lb-ft of torque. While these numbers might not scream high performance, Toyota has balanced power with efficiency, making it a smart choice for those who want both a spirited drive and great fuel economy. The all-wheel drive system ensures that you have excellent traction and control, especially in adverse weather conditions. Whether you're tackling wet roads or cruising down a twisty highway, the Camry XSE AWD is designed to give you confidence behind the wheel. On the outside, the Camry XSE AWD is a head-turner. The sporty design is highlighted by an aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and 19-inch alloy wheels that add to its athletic stance. The sculpted lines and bold character of this sedan make it stand out in a sea of otherwise conservative designs. It's not just a car you drive, it's a car you want to be seen in. Stepping inside, the cabin offers a blend of luxury and technology. The XSE trim comes with leather-trimmed seats, which are not only comfortable but also stylish, with red accents that give the interior a unique flair. The dashboard is dominated by a 9-inch touchscreen that's equipped with Toyota's latest infotainment system. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, so you can seamlessly integrate your smartphone. Plus, the available JBL sound system ensures that your favorite tunes sound crisp and clear. Safety is another area where the 2025 Camry XSE AWD excels. It comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, a suite of advanced driver assistance features. This includes pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work together to keep you safe on the road, whether you're commuting in the city or taking a long road trip. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Camry XSE AWD is more than just a reliable sedan. It's a stylish, technology-packed vehicle that offers impressive performance for its class. If you're looking for a car that can handle a variety of driving conditions while keeping you comfortable and connected, the Camry XSE AWD deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.